This video will teach you some key words that will help you identify and write integers. Integers are whole numbers that are either positive or negative. And so let's use football for an example. One idea would be a gain of 2 yards. You might be watching TV, someone playing the football game, they have the football, they run forward 2 yards, then they're tackled. They ran for what we call a gain of 2 yards because their team got 2 yards off of that play. There are lots of words that you might see in problems that would indicate that they are a positive integer. Those numbers would be gain, add, more, plus, deposit. If you go to an ATM machine and you deposit money, you are adding money. Receive. If you get something for your birthday, you're receiving that. If you get a check, you receive that money. A credit. Sometimes if something goes wrong, a store might offer you a credit, which means they are giving you money or they're giving you something to be used at a future date. Profit. If a company is making money, they are profiting. If you win something. Also, income and salary. These are all words that you might see in a problem that indicate that an integer is positive. Going back to that football analogy, sometimes you might lose. For example, if on a football team someone has the ball and there is a loss of 50 yards, we would say that's negative 50 yards. There are lots of other words that can mean loss or mean a negative integer. Loss, subtract, spend, cost, buy, withdrawal, debit, deduct, fell, below, decrease, down, or kind of a golf analogy to say that something is under par. These are all words that if you see them in a word problem, they indicate that the integer is negative.